welcome to Construction Zone here in Clermont, Florida. I am Viv Cunningham, the Caribbean team, selling the American Dream, your certified international property specialist, and I have my partner, Neville, here with me today as well.
Hello everyone, I'm Neville Smith with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. My number, 321-209-1958, and yours is?
321-231-8487.
Okay, so the last time she didn't want to give that number. I wonder what changed this
I'm
time.
leaving it till the end, okay? All right, now, so
Now, I know what really happened. I got a lot of calls, so she's trying to make up for that. It's all good.
Oh, okay, well, that's all right. I don't mind that. I don't mind the calls. That's all right. We got to,
We're competing.
That's right. Very competitive. So anyway, we're here in Clermont, and we're between Clermont and Mineola, and this community is a 55 plus community, and the name of it is Esplanade.
I love the way she says it. It's the Esplanade at Highland Hills.
And that's great. That, you know what, I have that, and I cannot pronounce it, so I have never pronounced it. So you know what, it's all good game. Whatever I can't pronounce, I'm going to send it over to him. But this is a really cool community. It's 55 plus, and you know what, I found out so much stuff about this community. I find out all you need to do is be 55, and look, your 20-year-old can move in with you. That is like awesome. But I don't know if you want that.
Yeah, well, I mean, that's definitely a great thing because a lot of times in a lot of these 55 plus communities, it's 18-year-olds and they can only stay for a short time.
Right.
But within this one, the way that they have it is that a 20-year-old can actually move in with you.
That's
so
right.
That's helpful.
Right.
But the main thing about this community is all the amenities that go with the houses. Within this. So
right now, we've been doing a lot of new construction, and when this agent was telling me the amount of things like community activity, they got the pool, they got the clubhouse, dog walk, it's even a gas community, and some people are always asking for a gas community. So definitely. The HOA, there's a HOA here, and it's a gated community, but it's not a guard gate. You have to actually use your card. And there's tennis, there's walking, there's workout room. Man, it's like, I want to move here.
Yeah, there's a lot of events and activities that's aired also for this community.
Right, yes.
And the houses are the types that start from 2 bedrooms on up to 3.
Yes.
And there's an option to add a 4th, but from what he told us, that hasn't happened too often here as far as having that, because it's a 55 plus community, so
and
the general need isn't there.
Yeah, most people are kind of downsizing, they're not really upsizing. And the price of these homes are starting in $252 all the way up to $381,000. So it's still within price range, good price range for you to be moving in. And they have garages, it's 2 bedroom all the way up to the 3 bedroom, and they have also 3-car garage.
Yeah, there is some 3-car garages that you can have. Yeah. But also, as Viv mentioned earlier, this is a gas community. So right now I'm in front of this gas range, but there's also, I'm looking outside and there's a done outdoor kitchen out there with that nice gas cook range out there also. Yeah, so that lanai, it's a covered lanai, and it comes with all the homes here. So it's great, just a great entertainment space that's out there. So, right now, I love this community. Anyway, houses that are being built here, how many houses are going to be built here, Neville? Well, totally there's going to be 480 houses over 4 phases of this. And right now they're in phase 3. Phase 3 has 32 houses left to be built. And then later on this year, they're going to start phase 4, which is another 73 houses in that one. So at this point, there's 32 houses left to be built. And as we said, the price ranges in here starts at $252 base price. So once you add in all your niceties, it definitely does bump it up a little bit, but your starting price is pretty decent. Yeah, and then the floor plan, they have 9 different floor plan, guys. 9 different floor plan. That's, I mean, where do you go and find so many different floor plan? So you can pick, choose, and refuse. You can change things up. You can add a bedroom. You can take a bedroom away. You can add an extra car garage. You can do all of that stuff. It's almost like having a custom home built. Yeah, so definitely. Pretty cool. I'm looking around because there are so many nice little features to talk about in the house, but I think coming and seeing it is better than just watching this video. Right. So I definitely would look forward to showing you this experience.
Most
And
definitely.
I think you're gonna fall in
Yes.
love with it like she
Yes,
did.
yes.
Because, you know, one of the things that we talked about was the fact that she's now kicked it and become debt free.
Yes,
And
yes.
she walked in here and was like, yeah, you know, I think I can do this.
Yeah. I can sell my house and move here. No yard work. They do. They cut with the HOA that they pay here. The HOA, the fee is $320 per month. But you know what? It covers everything. You know, you don't have to worry about no yard work, which is awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm excited for that.
Yeah, so I think I might have a sale finally with her.
I don't know about that, but if you're trying to buy in this community, which is a great community, guess what? They pay all your closing costs if you use your lender, guys. So this is really awesome.
Now through the end of April,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. So you want to jump aboard and get something going if it's something that you want to do. And you know what? It's a great time to be buying. Interest rate is down.
Yeah.
Right?
Definitely. It's
Interest
an
rate is
awesome
down,
time.
so it's a great time to be buying. So you know, jump aboard now. So I'm excited about this community, though. This is my second time I'm here, but now I'm like really, you know, pumped.
Now that she's really experienced it, and this time she's looking at it not just with a buyer in hand, it really changed a lot because now I'm really seeing a lot more because I can kind of see myself here.
Yes, yes.
Especially with all the amenities.
Yeah.
Part of this video will show, you know, the clubhouse area also, so you'll see what we're talking about.
Yeah, you have the tall cabinets. Look,
42
nice.
cabinet.
Yep, look, nice sink. You know, nice fixtures and stuff like that. Your stainless steel plant. Look how tall those doors are, Neville.
Yeah.
You know, just really, really nice. You can just, you know what? When you're at reach a certain place in your life, all you have to do, a house like this, all you have to do is just live.
Yeah, you just live and
You
enjoy.
just live. That's it, and enjoy it.
Yep.
You know, so I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty pumped about this one. So you know what? I need you to call me. Okay? I need you to call me and come and see this. I am at 321-231-8487. I'm giving my phone number for the second time.
I'm Neville Smith. Call me. More relaxed, subdued. I'm definitely excited about this though, and my number is 321-209-1958. I look forward to speaking with you and showing you all these nice homes in this community. So until next time.
Thank you for tuning in Construction Zone. See you next time. Tune in for our next video, which is going to be coming out 10 o'clock on Friday.
Right. Subscribe, click that notification bell, and see you next time.
Like, comment, and share. See you next time. Signing off.